Mastering passive voice in conditional sentences. Hello language enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into the world of English grammar. Our focus? Passive voice in conditional sentences. This is an advanced topic, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Let's get started. Before we get into our main topic, let's do a quick refresher on the passive voice. In passive sentences, the subject undergoes the action instead of performing it. For example, the cake was eaten by John. Here, the cake is the subject and it is undergoing the action of being eaten. Now, on to conditional sentences. These are sentences expressing hypothetical situations and their possible outcomes. They often use if, or, unless to show conditions. For example, if it rains, we will stay at home. Here's where things get interesting. Passive voice can indeed be used in conditional sentences. Let's take an example. If John eats the cake, Mary will be upset. We can make this passive. If the cake is eaten by John, Mary will be upset. The condition, the cake being eaten by John, is now in the passive voice. Let's try a few exercises to practice this. I'll give you a sentence in active voice, and you try to convert it to passive voice. 1. If you finish the work, you'll get a reward. 2. If they don't repair the roads, there will be accidents. 3. If someone finds the keys, they should inform us. Try to rephrase these sentences using the passive voice. Ready to check your answers? 1. If the work is finished, a reward will be given. 2. If the roads are not repaired, there will be accidents. 3. If the keys are found, we should be informed. See how the actions have now been given prominence over the doers? That's the essence of using passive voice. We hope you found this video enlightening. With practice, you'll be able to seamlessly use the passive voice in conditional sentences. Remember, English is a vast language, but with each step, you're getting closer to mastering it. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.